السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. ربي يسر ولا تعسر، ربي زدني علما وفهما وعقلا وأدبا وحفظا وصبرا وإيمانا كاملا. ربي تمم بالخير والسعادة. ربنا اغفر لي ولإخواني ولوالدي ولأساتذتي ولمخشيه ولسائر أئمة في الدين. I hope you all refresh yourself by the ablution. Inshallah, we are going to start our class. Anyone needs a little fragrance? I have some here. You may use that. So, have you had all of you have your lunch? MashaAllah. Was it good or okay? Just okay? Inshallah. So, MashaAllah, we have all had our lunch. So, we are going to start our section. We are all Mutawal students, so we are graduating students. So I don't have to explain about the hadith and its muqaddimah. Is it clear? Okay. So I go and start. وبإسناد متصل أخرجه الإمام مسلم بن حجاج رضي الله عنه في صحيحه قال حدثني حرملة بن يحيى قال أخبرنا ابن وهب قال أخبرني يونس أن ابن شهاب رضي الله عنه أخبره عن حمزة بن عبد الله بن عمر بن الخطاب عن أبيه عن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. This narration is transmitted through the Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu on the authority of his father. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was saying about the second leader of our Islamic Khilafat, the one and only, the most unmatched man in strength, in justice, clarity, vision, the Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu. Within a span of 10 years, he had scripted a unique history, transforming the people from the hell of sins to the heavenly bliss. And he spread the Islamic through many countries, such known as now like Iraq, Egypt, etc. So, in this hadith we are going to say about the Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم بين أنا نائم إذ رأيت قدحا أتيت به فيه لبن. When I was asleep, I saw a pot is coming to me. It is filled with the milk. Then فشربت منه حتى إني لأرى الري يجري من أظفاري. I drank that and my thirst was quenched from it. Even I can see its freshness going through my nails. It is a fusha. Is it? Yeah. Anything confusing? If you have any confusion, you can ask me. If you feel shy about that, you can ask me privately, or you can ask me by messaging privately. Inshallah. ثم أعطيت فضلي عمر بن الخطاب رضي الله عنه. Then I give it to the Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu. The leftover, I gave it to the Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu. Note it. The Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu was a man of virtue, wisdom. He created a unique history. In this hadith, we can see the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave his leftover to the Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu. We can see in the Sharh Muslim about this. The Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu, it is a sign of the Khilafat, and we can see many sharh in there. Then in here we can see Qalu. The Sahabat asked the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is that? What is meant by that? Then the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, فَمَا أَوَّلْتَ ذَلِكَ يَا رَسُولَ اللَّهِ. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, that is ilm. فَهُوَ الْعِلْمُ. We can see the Ali ibn Abi Talib, the gate of knowledge. Even if he was the fourth Khalifa, we can see many things about. He was the wisdom, he have bravery, such like that in the history in Hadith. Similar to that, the Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu was also like that. We can see in another Hadith, if Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu walked through a path, the shaitan will not choose that path. Because the shaitan, the Iblis, or even afraid of the Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu. Are you stressed about something? Why are you look so dull? If you want to refresh yourself, you can use our washroom. Don't mind that, okay? Inshallah, you can ask whatever you want. So no questions. Inshallah, if you want, you can ask me privately. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.